Hi all and welcome to this new Crypto Bros video, on this occasion presenting Wizardly Finance. Today we'll explain this project and its white paper, so let's get started. By the way, remember that we don't give any financial advice, so please do your own researches always before investing on this project or others. Well, Wizardly Finance is a decentralized CRO minor rewards pool dApp built on the CRONOS network that offers users a chance to access financial freedom with its simplicity and easy of use, as we will see later. As it works on the CRONOS network, first of all, it is very important that you change your network in your MetaMask or your Trust wallet to the CRONOS one to operate with the token. You can find information related to these steps in the white paper section of frequently asked questions, such as how to add the CRONOS network to MetaMask or how to bridge crypto to the CRONOS network. Well, once that you bought CRO tokens and you've got them in your wallet, you just have to connect it here and deposit the amount that you want to invest. Then the mechanism is very simple, as it is mentioned in the white paper. So here we go again, and as it is explained here, you just have to do a magic spell. So after depositing the CRO tokens, you just have to let them infuse during 6 days to compound, and on day 7 you can claim all your CRO tokens. And both deposits and claims have a 5% of fees that are distributed into the developers, a 3%, and it is mentioned here, and 2% goes to marketing, and the APR is almost 3,000%. Okay, and well, basically you can claim your tokens with an 8% extra of daily returns. That's the main idea, compounding an 8% daily. Okay, besides, as it is mentioned here, if you share this project with others, you can earn some extra tokens just by referring this protocol with your referral link, which is one that you will get once that you connect the MetaMask. You just have to copy it and send it to your friends, so you can earn 12% of the CRO deposited by them. And here we can also check the contract address, and as you may see, there are more than 640,000 CRO tokens invested so far, which is at a current price of $0.41 each, is more than $260,000 invested so far. So to sum up, it is a very simple but effective protocol. That's the idea to bear in mind in our portfolios. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.